The brain's inner critic isn't a personal failing. It's a learned loop trying to keep you safe, even when safety means playing small. In this short video, you'll see how self-doubt gets wired, why it feels so convincing, and a tight, science-backed 30-second routine you can use today to start shifting that habit toward confidence. Hi, I'm Will D., college professor and longtime martial artist. And today, we're talking about how to out-train self-doubt so confidence becomes your automatic routine. Ever get talked out of a good idea by that little voice inside your head before you even start? It follows a simple pattern. You have a cue, an automatic routine, and then a tiny reward. The cue is something uncertain, an interview, a meeting, or that blinking cursor that you just can't get over. The routine is the instant self-criticism. You're not ready. They'll see through you, maybe later. The reward is relief. You pull back, your tension eases, and your brain thinks, smart move. That short-term safety feels satisfying, so the loop repeats. Neuroscience explains why the loop feels so real. Repeating the same routine strengthens neural pathways. There's a saying, neurons that fire together wire together. The more the loop runs, the faster and more automatic it becomes. It even drags your body into the pattern. Your heart rate speeds up, palms sweat, stomach tightens. Those sensations look like proof that doubt is true, but they're actually just part of that same learned sequence. 3 brain systems make the loop sticky. The prefrontal cortex is your planner and the self-control center, but stress clutters it like too many open tabs. The amygdala flags potential threats, social threats count as well, and floods you with anxiety. The default mode network loves replaying past mistakes with feeding rumination. When these systems team up, normal uncertainty feels bigger than it is. The amygdala overreacts, the DMN replays failures, and the prefrontal cortex just can't get steady. Now, here's the good news. The brain is plastic. If a loop taught you hesitation, a different loop can teach confidence. The quick method is to spot the cue, interrupt the routine, and replace it with a tiny rewarding action. Here, try this 30-second practice right now. Notice the tightness in your chest or the pause right before you decide. That's the cue. Interrupt the spiral with 3 slow breaths. Inhale for 2, exhale for 3. Then drop your shoulders, lift your chest slightly, and plant your feet. These simple signals calm the amygdala and give your prefrontal cortex space to help you. Now, do one small concrete action. Picture saying one clear line. Type and send a single sentence, or actually speak one sentence out loud. That small win releases a little dopamine and becomes the new reward your brain wants to repeat. Here's why it works. Interrupting prevents the old pathway from firing without competition. Breath and posture reduce physiological arousal and signal safety. Visualization and microactions activate similar circuits to real behavior, so your brain builds confident pathways without needing a dramatic leap. Repeat the loop often and the new pathway strengthens while the old one weakens. Here's some practical tips to make it stick. Practice the 30-second routine when the stakes are low, so it becomes automatic. Keep the replacement tiny, 1 line, 1 email, 1 click, because small wins compound over time. Use self-compassion when doubt arises. Treat it as a cue to practice, not proof of failure. Track your tiny wins so you notice progress. Momentum grows from visible evidence. A short script you can say to yourself is, notice, breathe, do one small thing. It's simple, memorable, and fast, perfect for real-world use. Do it once today, then again, try it again when another chance shows up. Don't aim to erase doubt. Out-train it. With steady repetition, confidence becomes the loop your brain prefers. Oh, one last thing, just hit subscribe for more brain-boosting hacks that take minutes but change everything. It's an easy and free way to support us, and you'll boost your brain power along the way. Until the next time, this is Will D. wishing you only success. And remember, every moment you practice this tiny loop, you're teaching your brain to choose growth over safety. That's how real confidence is built.